Hey guys, it's me Helton again, and I'm back with another video. And before I proceed, I would like to say a very big thank you to everyone that supported my first video. It was really beautiful. I had over 100 views in just 5 days. That was really beautiful. I love that so much. So today I'm going to be making a tour on a 2007 Lexus ES350, and in the tour I'm going to be showing you the engine bay and the engine startup, exhaust notes. I'm going to be showing you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as the exterior and a lot of other things. So there's no time to waste. Let's go. Here's the 2007 Lexus ES350 base. This is the key fob right here. You could either unlock it from here or just keep the key fob on you and put your hand behind the handle, then it unlocks. You have leather material here, memory seats, one touch automatic windows as well. You have 10-way power seats there too. Let's start up and see how she sounds. To start this one up, you put your foot on the brake and start to ride up. So let's go ahead and turn on the headlamps, the fog lamps, the hazards. Let's go check out the rest of the exterior. Pop up the hood as well. This car comes with a 3.5 liter V6 2GR FE from Toyota, and it powers the front wheels only. So let's see how she revs. Okay, so windows up, doors locked. You do have your mirror controls around here. You also have your fold door release and trunk opener there. A little bit of storage space. Instrument cluster, gauge, dimmer and brighter. Okay, so switch off the lamp. Your aircon right here. This is for fan speed, dwell temperature, where you can control different temperature for both the passenger and the driver. So one touch, it syncs back with the driver's temperature. So you do have recycle or fresh air or auto. You have your mirror and rear defrost, your front defrost as well, your one touch auto, the AC compressor and all of that. You do have your stereo here. Conditions apply. Standing IPTC. It can be. You can actually control the position. You can control the positions, like I said. I will love to put it in all. You can control the bars, the mid, treble, fade, as well as ASL. Okay, so you do have an ashtray here, your cigarette lighter. Okay. You have cup holders there. Heated and cooled seats. It's cooled right now. Then you turn it all the way over for heated seats. You do have storage space down there, as well as a little bit of tray. Okay, so let's go check out the rest of the exterior. These same materials are carried over. You have a lot of leg room, so you have nice materials nice door handle, chrome door handles. You have wood materials here, leather here as well. You have air vents for the rear passengers. You also have cup holders here and armrest. You also do have clothes hangers. Let me try to focus that. That's it. You can just hide it away, push it for it to come out, as well as this hold here right here. Yo. To open the trunk, you just press this little button right here, and it has a very massive trunk. And you have the space right underneath there, cargo net, an emergency release. Focusing. Okay, so see how cool this car looks. You do have nice wheels there. 235/45 R18 wheels with nice disc brakes all around. Same material here. Same sitting position carried over here. And you also have your lumbar support as well. Okay, so virtually you have the same materials all around. You have a very nice soft touch material here, and it's really cool. This one doesn't come with the reverse camera and screen because it's basic. Only the full option carries that. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you like my video. Comment down below what you think about it. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button. Also comment whatever you think about it down in the comment section. Also share with your friends, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and there's a lot more videos where that came from. Next time, bye.